In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install LUTs in Adobe After Effects on a Mac. So here I have my LUT files ready on my desktop for convenience. And in the Finder, I'll open up the Applications folder. Then next to After Effects 2023 or whichever version you have, click on the arrow to reveal the actual Adobe program file. To install the LUTs, right-click on the application and select Show Package Contents. Here, double-click on the Contents folder. Then locate and open the Lumetri folder. Now open up the LUTs folder. Here you can place the LUT files in either the Creative or Technical folders or both. I prefer installing them in Technical, so I'll open that one up. Now I'll highlight the LUTs on my desktop and use Command-C to copy them. Then I'll use Command-V to paste them in the Technical folder. At this point, the computer password is needed to finish the installation, and that's it. To apply the LUT in After Effects, highlight a layer on the timeline. Then in the Effects drop-down menu, find Color Correction and select Lumetri Color. Then in the Effects panel, expand Basic Correction. Because I installed the LUTs in the Technical folder, I'll find them where it says Input LUT. And to apply one, it's as easy as selecting one from the list. But if they were installed in the Creative folder, the new LUTs will be in the Creative tab towards the bottom of the panel. To see Creative LUTs, expand the Look tab and select one to apply to a layer. I've found that installing LUTs for After Effects on a Mac isn't exactly intuitive because I always forget where they go. But if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.